I'm Dr. Craig Anderson. Monday, I'm doing a class at my office for free at 6 o'clock. It's called the cervical spine, and we are focusing on dizziness. So if you have a cervical spine, that is your neck, or if you've ever experienced dizziness, this would be a great class for you. I'm going to spend 30 minutes talking about how the neck works, how the brain works, processing information and keeping us from becoming dizzy. Dizziness can happen from mechanics in the neck. It can happen from problems in the ear. It can also happen from different drugs, different chemicals you can put in your body. Dizziness is a problem, and there is natural solutions to dizziness, so we're going to talk about that. First, you have to understand how it works. Then we'll talk about how you can fix it. It's this Monday, 6 p.m. at my office. You can get all the information you need at craigandersondc.com.